Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious in your daily life? Let me introduce you to The Calm Mind, a powerful ebook that provides a step-by-step guide to mindfulness and meditation, helping you to stress less and embrace a more fulfilling life. This comprehensive guide will teach you various meditation techniques, helping you choose the right one for you, so you can experience the many benefits such as increased focus, creativity, and emotional well-being. With fascinating insights into how meditation has been a practice for centuries, you'll learn how it can modernize your life and provide you with much-needed calm amidst the chaos. Along with the main ebook, you'll receive valuable bonuses, including a point-by-point checklist, a resource cheat sheet, and a mind map, designed to make your meditation journey even more successful and accessible. For only $7, you will get instant access to this wealth of knowledge that usually retails for $27. Don't miss this chance to invest in your mental health and well-being at such an incredible price. Click the button now to own The Calm Mind and start transforming your life today. The Calm Mind is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.